Do you know that Ojukwu, if Ojukwu was selfish, he could have collected the what? Money. He could have entered into agreement like what our people are doing today. To be the greatest what? The richest man in Igbo land. And he will form coalition with the North. With the powers that be. But he said what? No, I want the freedom of my people. I want my people to be free. If they are not free, I am not free. The expectation of Ojukwu one day will come to fulfillment. Amen. Mark my word. It may take time, it may tarry, but mark my word, it must come to fulfillment one day.
Amen.
I don't know your expectation, my children. Rabashima makaraboshindiria. Omogo or Chukumogo, SND Yame SND Nnamdi Kanu, Kamoni plan war for me. That's why there cannot be a new Nigeria without someone who has the what? The audacity, the boldness of a lion. Someone who is ready to go to jail. I remember.
Family is based on 4 cardinal points. You must be without fear before your enemies. You must speak the truth always, even if it leads to your death. You must help the poor and those who cannot help themselves, and be of good character that God may love thee. That's who we are.
But the principle is Nigeria. Lekwa Nigeria madosa ya Chineke na de ngosi. Onye ọbụla na-ekpe ka Nigeria wee wuru ofu nna nke bridge ndị dị etu a wee laa ha n'iyi. Chineke na kiwe biko da kiwe kpọọ ha ọkụ. Kpọọ ha ọkụ pa ezinụlọ ha ọkụ.